Hey everyone, welcome back to our Matplotlib Tutorial Series. We will learn how to customize a simple line chart by changing its color, style, markers and more. All will be step by step in our Google Colab. Let's quickly recap our basic line chart from the last video which we have created. Let's create it once again so that we can proceed with the same chart. Let's first import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then we had x value that was 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we had y value which was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which was just double of the x. Then we are going to plot this x and y. Then plt.show will show us. Yeah, so here we go. Here we have our last video line chart. Let's customize it. To change the color of the line, we simply add color parameter inside the plot, and how we can do that is plt.plot, and we had passed x and y, so along with that we can pass our color, let's say green. Then we can again do plt.show to check our chart how it is looking now. So we have changed our line color from blue to green, which we have passed this parameter. So this was basically we passed directly green. We can also use color names like hash values, hexes values, or single letter coded like R for red, P for blue, and so on. Next, let's change the line style. The line style parameter controls this, like for example, if we pass same plt.plot x comma y, and let's say we pass line style as dash dash, and then again plt.show. So you see we had passed some line style, and according to that the line style has been changed. You can control it using, so we can also pass, let's say, dot. Do you see that? We can also pass like this one. We had normal dots, or if you want by default, then it will show the solid one. So this is how we can change our line styles. Next we can move ahead with, let's say, adding markers. So we can do same plt x comma y, and we can pass the same parameter. Since we want to change the marker, we can pass up the marker parameter, let's say 0. Again plt.show would show the chart. So you see that there is the marker, dot marker, for each of the line values which we have pointed. We can also try other options. Let's say we can say S. You see it will be something like diamond shape. We can say star. That would be star as pointers. We can say D for square shapes. Now what if I want to change the color of this marker, its style, its size, its color? So let's customize this. So in the same way, what we can do is, we had placed our marker, we can say marker size for controlling our size. Let's say 10. Then we can add up our marker face color. Let's keep it red. Let's try it. Okay, so we got some error. Marker face, okay, marker face color. Let's make a marker face color. Yeah. So you see that we have now red value changed. We had our marker size increased to 10. We can reduce it as per our convenience. Then you see that the as colors, we can change that using marker as color. Let's say black. So we have changed it to black. So in this way you can change the marker size, marker face, and marker edge colors. Now let's say I want to change the line width of this line. How we can do that? We can do that in the same scenario. We can pass x and y. We can pass all of the values line width, like let's say 4. Yeah, so you see that we can change up to 5. It would be more thicker. You can also adjust like thickness, whatever you want. The higher is the number, the thicker will be line. Let's combine all of these in the ones, in the one of them, so we can see how we have customized our chart. Let's say x and y. Our color, let's say purple. Line style, I want to keep something like this and dot. Then I would like, okay, let's say I want to add marker. Marker would be, let's say s. Marker size I'm keeping it to, let's say 8. Then we have marker edge color black. Marker face color, which would be the center filling color, let's say it yellow. Then let's say line width, I want to increment it to 6. From the last we can add the title to this plot. So let's say customized line chart. We can add some X label. Let's keep the X label as X axis itself. We can same do for Y label as well. Then what if I want to show up the grid? So I can also pass the value true to the grid. Let's see how our new line chart is being shown. Yeah, so here is our new customized line chart. In this way we can customize our whole chart. So we have set the line color to purple, style to dash dot, and adjusted some of the other parameter as well. We have added this grids as well by passing the true value to the grid function. So this is it. In the next video we will explore how bar chart will be created in the Matplotlib, how to create vertical and horizontal bar graphs, customize their colors, widths, and even add value labels on the top of the bar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this one. Got some questions or an idea for the future video? Drop it in the comments. I am reading them for all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.